So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial I'll show you how to pin a message on Messenger. So let's get started. At first, make sure you have the Messenger app downloaded from Google Play Store or App Store, and also make sure that you have logged into your account. So let's open it. And this is the home page of your Messenger. Then to pin a message, you can simply tap on message icon here like this, or even you can search it from here like this. And to pin a message, so tap on the message until you will see the option of more. So tap on more, then you will see the option of pin, so tap on pin, then see your message has been pinned successfully. And to view a pinned message, you can simply tap on profile icon, which is available on the top screen of your device. Then scroll down below, then you will see the option of pinned message here, so tap on it and see. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and also hit the bell icon for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care, have a great day.